When you unpack the chair, it comes like this, fully assembly, but the footrest isn't on the chair. I will show you how to put the footrest on the chair. Make sure that the chair is fully upright. If it's not, you have to plug it in and just turn it on, and it will go to the upright position. When that is done, you take the footrest, put it in front of the chair, put the hose in and the connector. When that is done, just push the chair, or put the footrest closer to the chair, and then lift up. Sometimes it can be easier if you have a second pair of hands that can hold this so you can see. But as you can see, this one is longer than this one, so this one has to go on first. This is not as easy as it looks, but as you can see, that one is on. This one over here is not yet, but can be put on as soon as this is on. Then you take the clips and push them on like this. That's one open part. Just to go on like that. Finally, you do the zipper. And the chair is done.